Future Channel. Today we're exploring AI-powered smart factories and how they're shaping the future of manufacturing. These factories leverage artificial intelligence to optimize production, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Let's dive into the world of smart manufacturing and see what the future holds. What are AI-powered smart factories? AI-powered smart factories use advanced technologies like machine learning and robotics to create a highly automated and connected manufacturing environment. These factories can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, making intelligent decisions to optimize production processes. Key components of smart factories. Key components of smart factories include connected devices and sensors, AI-driven machinery, and advanced analytics platforms. Together, these elements create a seamless and efficient production ecosystem. Benefits of AI in manufacturing. The benefits of incorporating AI into manufacturing are vast. AI improves production speed, reduces waste, and enhances product quality. By predicting maintenance needs, AI minimizes downtime, ensuring factories run smoothly and efficiently. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is one of the most significant advantages. AI algorithms analyze data from machinery to predict when maintenance is needed, preventing unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Real-world examples of AI-powered smart factories. Let's look at some real-world examples of AI-powered smart factories. Companies like Siemens, Bosch, and GE are at the forefront of this revolution. Siemens uses AI to optimize production schedules, Bosch integrates AI for quality control, and GE employs AI to enhance supply chain efficiency. Siemens Smart Factory. Siemens Smart Factories utilize AI to optimize production schedules and reduce energy consumption, leading to significant cost savings and increased efficiency. Bosch Smart Manufacturing. Bosch employs AI for quality control, using machine learning to detect defects in real time, ensuring high standards and reducing waste. AI in supply chain. GE integrates AI to enhance supply chain efficiency, predicting demand and optimizing inventory levels, resulting in a more responsive and agile manufacturing process. This is the AI Future Channel. Challenges and solutions in implementing AI in manufacturing. Implementing AI in manufacturing comes with its challenges. These include high initial costs, data security concerns, and the need for skilled personnel to manage and maintain AI systems. However, the long-term benefits far outweigh these challenges. Overcoming high initial costs. To overcome high initial costs, companies can start with scalable AI solutions and gradually expand their implementation. This approach helps in managing expenses while reaping the benefits of AI. Ensuring data security. Ensuring data security is critical. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures and encrypting sensitive data can protect against breaches and maintain the integrity of AI systems. Training and skill development. Training and skill development are essential for the successful integration of AI. Companies should invest in educating their workforce about AI technologies and how to work with them effectively. The future of AI-powered smart factories. The future of AI-powered smart factories looks promising. Advances in AI and machine learning will continue to drive innovation, making manufacturing processes even more efficient and adaptable. AI and advanced robotics. AI and advanced robotics will play a significant role. Collaborative robots, or cobots, will work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety on the factory floor. AI-driven customization. AI will also drive greater customization in manufacturing. With AI-driven design and production processes, companies can create personalized products tailored to individual customer preferences. Here we come to conclusion. AI-powered smart factories are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. By enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling greater customization, AI is paving the way for a new era of production. The future is bright for smart manufacturing, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. Thank you for watching the AI Future channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.